They watch you. They wait for you to react, but you don't. You see, silence is a weapon, a language only the wise understand. The loudest person in the room seeks attention. The quietest one, they hold power. In a world that demands noise, being silent makes you different. They fear what they don't understand. And nothing is more terrifying than a person they can't figure out. You don't need to explain yourself. You don't need to prove anything. Let them wonder. Let them assume. Because mystery breeds curiosity. And curiosity? It's power. They expect you to react, to break, to explain. But when you say nothing, they start questioning everything. Master your silence. Stay unpredictable. Because the less they know, the more they fear. Silence speaks louder than words. Stay mysterious.